Hello, I'm Blount Mansion's Executive Director, David Hearnes. Due to the rain and the weather the other day, we were such rushed at our opening for the Craighead house, we didn't get to say everything that we wanted to say. So there's a lot of thank yous we still have to do. So we thought we'd take a chance today to come to y'all and say thanks for a lot of special people that made the restoration of the Edith Henderson Garden here at Craighead possible. First of all, I want to start off with a big thank you to both the Knoxville Garden Club and the Knoxville Garden Study Club. Their work here at Blount Mansion since the 1930s is really one of the things that makes us such a jewel here in downtown. The Daughters of the American Revolution donated money towards the trees that you can see behind me. So the Bonnie Kate, Andrew Bogle, Cabot Station, Emory Road, and the State DAR all helped make this possible. A special thank you to Chris Taylor of Kingsport, Tennessee for donating money in honor of her son. So some of the crabapple trees that we have here are directly responsible for her. For the beautiful hardscape here, I got to say thank you to Pride Land Landscape. So Laz and Jimmy and all the fellows from them did all of the paving and the hardscape here for us. Got to say thank you to Mincer's Tree Service for removing the old overgrown magnolia trees and holly trees that we had. They basically wiped the slate clean for us and let us move forward. So a big thank you to them. Thank you to Nathan Elliott of Out of the Woods Forestry for taking the magnolias that we had and milling them into some beautiful lumber that we'll be sharing with you soon. Also want to say thank you to Tito Wilson of Tito Wilson Designs for hooking us up with Nathan Elliott and for his support in the project. I want to say thank you to the Smoky Mountain Woodturners for some of the things that they've made, and we look forward to sharing that with you as well. I want to say thank you to Mark and Emily Campen for donating a beautiful red buckeye tree for us here. I want to say thank you to Site One Landscaping for providing all the trees for us and helping us get some of the best nursery stock around. I want to say thank you to Stanley's Greenhouse for everything that they do. It's a very special place. If you haven't ever been, you should check them out. Knoxville Seed and Greenhouse for all of their support. Easton Horticulture, and a special thank you to Power Planner for all of the labor saving that we were able to get from their power augers. A special thank you to Leslie from Raindrop Irrigation for all the hard work they put in redoing our irrigation system. And a very, very special thank you to Justin Paulk of Paulk & Co. for the beautiful obelisk that he did for us here in the garden, and to our board member Brian Pittman for helping design it. And a very special thank you to Stacy Catron of the Cherokee Garden Library in Atlanta for kind of being one of the, giving us the information that we needed to be able to start the restoration process here. And a special thank you to Dorothy Stair for her support, advice, and all of the effort that she put in to making this happen. The garden was dedicated to her for that reason. So I just want to say thank you, and if anybody we forgot, we're sorry, but thank you to everybody on the board who helped make this happen. Debbie Woodhill, Sam Pittenger, Susan Martin for getting down and dirty and helping us plant everything, and just everybody who helped make this happen. Jeff Smith of J&L Renovations for helping for building the fence and just everything that he's done. So we hope that you'll come and you'll take advantage of the beautiful newly restored Edith Henderson Garden here at Craighead-Jackson. So thank you all very much, and we hope to see you soon.